This plays out fairly similarly to the game of sound effects if you're familiar with Whose Line Is It Anyway. We're actually going to need a couple audience participants. So whoever wants to get up on stage, make a butt out of yourself.
I feel like you can make really ridiculous sound effects, like...
In the front, right here, and way in the back. Yes, you. No, yeah, you. Yes, yes, you. Right. Like that.
Give a hand for our audience volunteers.
For you guys.
Okay.
And, hey, we still need your attention up here, if you don't mind. The way this game works is that they're going to act out a scene, our two lovely improvisers up here, and while they're acting out a scene, wait, I have your name? Brian and Joel. Brian, you're going to be doing sound effects for Tim. Joel is doing sound effects for Vikki. And whatever they're doing, you just make sound effects acted out. They can get ridiculous. They don't necessarily have to fit. Just keep it clean. That is all I ask. And the scene that these two are going to be doing is getting ready for an anime convention. I'm sure none of you are familiar with that. All right, whenever you guys are ready. All right.
Oh, okay, have you packed everything? Oh, I need to blow dry that wig still. Okay, stop! You're gonna destroy it! Maybe I'll try a different plug. I'll try a different plug, it should be alright. How about this one? Okay. Where's the fire extinguisher? Oh my gosh. Fire extinguisher! Yeah. Why'd you grab the silly string? I think the fire. I think the fire's okay. It just went out. Extinguished itself. I think we're okay on that.
Okay. All right.
I think I need to iron this vest real quick though. So.
Okay. All right.
Just gonna get the iron all heated up.
All right.
Whoa, iron.